Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to show you how to use Citation Machine. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn the notifications on so you can be alerted when I post new videos. So if you might remember, a little while back I did a video about EasyBib, which is an automatic citation generator. So this video is relatively similar, but it's just about a different website called Citation Machine. So the first thing you have to do is it gives you the option to either upload your paper or create a citation. So you have to click on I only want to create citation. And then you can choose the actual style of the citation, whether it's APA, MLA, Chicago, or you can look at other types. So for now I'm just going to click on MLA because this is the format that I'm familiar with. So I'm just going to show you the article that I've chosen to kind of demo. So I added an article or found an article from Britannica, a relatively reliable educational resource about pollution. I would consider this a website, so you can go to website, but there are also many different types of resources such as book, magazine, newspaper, journal, film, and then you can click on other to look at all of the different types of mediums that they allow you to cite. So firstly, it tells you to find a website by URL or keyword. I generally prefer a URL just because it's more specific, so I'm just going to go back to my article, copy the URL, and paste it. Then you can click on the search websites. And then it will show you results that have matched your URL. Normally with the URL, you'll only get one, which is why I prefer this method rather than using a keyword per se. So then you click on select once you've verified that this is the actual article you'd like to cite. And then it will tell you all of the separate elements that they found within the website. They've found the URL, the title, publication day, publication month, and all of the pertinent pieces of information to create a citation. But it also tells you what it could not find, which was the publisher or sponsor, and then you can click on the final step. And then it puts in all of that information that it just told you, and if you would like, you can add an annotation or any additional information that Citation Machine was not able to identify. And then you can click on Create Citation. And so now it has created your citation under My Citation List, and you can do several things with the citation. You can either copy it, edit it, delete it, you can add it as an in-text citation, you can check for grammar, or check for plagiarism. So those are all the different things that you can do within the Citation Machine. I do prefer this to a manual citation software, but please make sure to confer with your respective teacher or educator just to ensure that this is appropriate to use, because some teachers do not allow for automatic citation generators. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any additional questions about any software, please feel free to add that in the comment section below so I can address your questions in future videos. Thanks for watching.